Good morning guys and welcome to Whitby. Today we've travelled nearly 3 hours to this historic seaside town that is famous for being the birthplace of Dracula, the dramatic Abbey ruins and having some of the best fish and chips in the UK.
So we're going to be exploring all of that as well as showing you guys some hidden gems along the way. It's a beautiful day here, so let's get going.
Alright, okay, so this is going to be my first ever time trying oysters. I've gone for a Tabasco one with lemon and then one just plain. They look pretty horrific.
Let me smell it.
Okay, Tabasco first.
You said you've got to chew it.
Ugh.
Chew it. Do you like it?
Not bad. Not bad actually. Obviously very fishy, salty. I think having Tabasco, the seagulls are going to get us. Having Tabasco first was maybe not the best idea because it spiced my mouth up a little bit.
Yeah, you should have done the original first without any sauce.
Alright, this is the lemon.
Nice.
I actually really like that. That's very good.
Is that better than the Tabasco one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then...
Notice how I'm not trying these.
yeah, she bitched out, she wouldn't do it.
I've done it before and they made me feel sick.
Last one, just a plain one on its own.
I bet you don't like that one.
Oh, God.
That sounded gritty.
Oh,
Where's the grit come from?
that one was very fishy, very salty.
Uh.
Overall though, not bad actually. I give them like a 7 out of 10.
A 7?
I quite enjoyed them, I would definitely buy more. I'm quite inclined to go buy some more.
Oh, I would never give them a 7.
Nice.
Leslie couldn't quite stomach oysters, so she's gone for a little pastry instead.
Okay, so we're at the bottom of the steps that lead up to the Abbey. There's 199 of them in total. It's supposed to be a bit of a challenge, so we'll see how we get on. We've done about 10 and I'm already a bit out of breath. Okay, so we made it. That wasn't that bad, to be honest. A little bit out of breath, however, it wasn't too bad.
Perched high above Whitby's cobbled streets, St Mary's Church has watched over this town for centuries, standing proudly since 1110 AD. Weathered gravestones, leaning in every direction, create one of the most hauntingly beautiful churchyards in England. As you wander the ancient tombstones, Whitby's rich maritime history feels ever present. Scattered throughout the graveyard, several weathered headstones bear eerie skull and crossbone carvings. symbols that have long sparked tales of pirates and seafarers buried here.
These are bolts to keep it in. Really smashed in.
Must be some demons in there.
Standing proudly above St Mary's Church sits Whitby Abbey, which has overlooked this rugged coastline for more than 1,300 years. Originally founded in 657 AD, these Gothic ruins have survived Viking raids, dissolution by the monarchy, and bombings from German battle cruisers during World War I.
Right, well, we've finished tackling all those steps and we've explored the Abbey. We're now built up a bit of an appetite, so we're going to head over to the Magpie Café, which is one of the most famous fish and chip shops in Yorkshire. It's supposed to be some of the best fish and chips in the UK, so let's see how it goes. These are traditional fish and chips cooked in beef dripping. I'm just going to get straight into the fish. Oh, that looks good.
Been waiting all day for these.
Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Very good.
Look at that.
Nice.
Succulent.
It's very juicy. Batter's super crispy. Try the curry sauce.
This is cod, isn't it? Try a bit of curry sauce.
Oh, that's lovely. It's got like a fruity hint to it. Very good.
It tastes really fresh.
Right, look at that.
Right, we did say when we was going to do this channel that we was going to be honest about the food and do honest reviews and stuff. And I absolutely love fish and chips. It's one of my favourite foods. And getting to the bottom of these fish and chips, I know it's rated really high. Kyle loves it, he's rated it an 8. Did you say 8 or 7? Oh, 9, so you've rated it a 9. I'm actually going to rate it a 5. I hate greasy fish and chips. And if you look in there, and I did at one point think it was my vinegar, but then I thought I didn't pick my fish and chips up and put vinegar on underneath. So that is pure fat. So that's a thumbs down for me. Sorry, guys. Yes. They snatch. That's cheeky. One for me. One for you.
We're currently sat in the spot where Bram Stoker, the guy who created the character Dracula, sat and was inspired, looking out over the Abbey, and I'll show you that view now.
Almost everywhere you turn in Whitby, echoes of Dracula's dark legacy are impossible to miss. From Gothic landmarks to eerie streets steeped in legend, Bram Stoker's influence is woven throughout the town. There's even a dedicated Dracula experience promising haunted thrills and chilling encounters. But unfortunately for us, it was closed today, so we missed the chance to explore one of Whitby's spookiest attractions. Our final food stop of the day was at this amazing Italian cake shop for some sweet treats before we headed home.
We've got some double chocolate cannoli, we've got hazelnut cannoli, We've got a tiramisu pie, and my favourite, the bueno cookie.
Chocolate cannoli.
It smells good.
Oh, look. That's like an 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, it's very good, that. Definitely better than the fish and chips anyway.
Hazelnut cannoli.
It's alright.
Chocolate one was better. I'm going to try the tiramisu. This is one of my all-time favourite desserts. So let's give this a try.
Oh, it's a bit soggy.
It's alright, it's mid. It's not bad.
Smell it. Went on your fork. Oh, it smells of coffee.
I'm back in for that.
Just tastes like coffee. But I like coffee, so. You have eaten all of that. You've eaten the best one, all of it. So greedy. You're not having any of my chocolate cookie now.
Oh wow, it's full of stuff.
Ooh.
Full of cream. Oh, I feel sick.
It's got milk chocolate and white chocolate. You done?
It's good, but I feel sick. You're an animal.
I love that. That's my favourite.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll be back next week with another exciting adventure, so be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out.